Afternoon guys, Stevie here, and today I'm going to be tying the traffic light cormorant, which is a popular fly on most fisheries, large reservoirs, small fisheries, anywhere at all. So we'll get started. So on the vise I've got the Fario wetfly hook, size 10, barbless black nickel. The thread I'm using is Unithread in 8O black. So cast the thread onto the hook. I've already pre-waxed it. So stop there, and what I'm going to be tying in is some herl, which is number 14 uni. Just tie this in, take it down, and we're going to add in now is some medium holographic. Just tie this directly on top of the herl. And for the body I'm using 2 strands of peacock herl. One tip up, one butt up. So I've got this reverse, so I've got butt and the tip together. Cut off the ends. So the reason I do this, I don't want a big herly body, if you know what I mean. So this kind of flattens it out a bit. Somebody had asked me this in an earlier video. But just tie all this down. Stop there. And what I'm going to do is take the herl under the hook. Just touching turns. One more. And tie that off. And cut off the waist. And for the rib, we tie the two of them in together. So the herl is over the top of the red, about 3 or 4 turns. Oops. Slipped out my finger, so tie that off there. Cut off the waist. Just tidy up. And for the wing I'm using black marabou. So you don't want too much of this, so maybe about a centimetre worth. Just wet it. And just tie this in it. The head. And pinch at the back, and I've got the curved scissors just to get in tighter here. Tidy up. So to finish off the fly, I've got 2 jungle cock splits. Just pair these up. Just check that. That's fine. And cut off the waist. And just tidy up. And got finish. And cut off the thread. So I'll just give the head a varnish. I can find my needle. Yeah, that's it. So we'll just give the head a varnish. So guys, that's it. That's your traffic light cormorant, which is a very successful fly on most places. So I hope you enjoyed that, and please remember to hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. Thank you, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.